Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Jeep Recon EV, Jeep's bold step into the electric SUV market. If you're a fan of rugged off-road vehicles but also want to embrace the future with clean electric power, this model might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore what makes the Recon EV stand out, from its design and features to its performance and unique selling points. Right off the bat, the design of the Jeep Recon EV stays true to Jeep's iconic rugged look, but with a modern electric twist. The exterior sports a matte military green finish that gives it a tough, stealthy vibe. You'll notice the classic 7-slot grille redesigned to fit the EV's needs, flanked by sharp LED headlights that are both stylish and functional. The body is muscular and aggressive, with bold wheel arches and large all-terrain tires that scream off-road readiness. It's a vehicle that commands attention whether you're on city streets or rough trails. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that balances ruggedness with modern tech. The cabin features durable, weather-resistant materials designed for adventurers who aren't afraid to get a little dirty. At the same time, it's packed with the latest technology, including a large digital touchscreen for infotainment, a fully digital instrument cluster, and connectivity options that keep you linked wherever your journey takes you. The seats are comfortable and supportive, finished with materials that reflect the matte military green theme, giving the inside a cohesive and premium feel. Plus, with a panoramic sunroof, you get plenty of natural light to enjoy those scenic views. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Well, under the hood with the Recon EV, you'll find an advanced electric powertrain that delivers impressive performance. The exact specs can vary depending on the trim, but generally, it offers strong torque and instant power delivery typical of electric vehicles. This means quick acceleration off the line and confident handling, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging off-road terrain. Thanks to its electric setup, the Recon EV also promises a quieter ride compared to traditional gas-powered Jeeps, which is a big plus for those long drives. One of the standout features of this SUV is its off-road capability combined with electric efficiency. Jeep has integrated various driving modes that optimize performance for different environments, from sand and mud to rocks and snow. The vehicle's advanced traction control and suspension systems work seamlessly with the electric motor to ensure you stay in control no matter where you go. Plus, with a decent electric range, you can enjoy extended adventures without worrying about frequent recharges, making it a practical choice for both daily commutes and weekend escapes. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Recon EV comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These tech enhancements provide extra confidence on the road and help make every trip safer for you and your passengers. What really sets the Jeep Recon EV apart is its blend of classic Jeep toughness and cutting-edge electric technology. It offers the best of both worlds, heritage and innovation. For Jeep enthusiasts who want to embrace sustainability without sacrificing performance or style, this model represents a significant leap forward. In conclusion, the 2025 Jeep Recon EV is a compelling choice if you're looking for an electric SUV that doesn't compromise on ruggedness or capability. Its striking design, modern and functional interior, powerful and efficient electric powertrain, and off-road prowess make it a versatile vehicle ready for anything. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or someone looking for a reliable daily driver with a green edge, the Recon EV has a lot to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Jeep Recon EV, or if there's another vehicle you want me to cover next. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.